these treasures and gems. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So long.
How many Hakoska's engine you need, brother?
Get out of here. Just stop. Are you kidding me? You couldn't even dream about a place like this. In the last episode of Capturing Car Culture, we found ourselves at a collection of junkyard cars in Dubai owned by Ebrahim bin Safan al-Samsi, who is a very passionate individual that has the best intentions to restore all these cars to their former glory. We continue our tour outside with our friend Saeed, looking at some of the most recent acquisitions that just arrived from Japan.
So we just got a few. Not this one, but...
You know, what's crazy is if you weren't a car person and you just passed by this area, you would just think it's a regular junkyard.
Yeah.
You wouldn't think that this is all gold.
Jaw dropping.
It's so many insane cars. What the heck is a Naomi? Another Koenig special. RX-7. One thing that I always appreciated was the use of newspaper
To cover.
to cover things when you're restoring things, and it's cool to see Arabic newspaper here. Usually it's
being put to
it's
use.
JDM newspapers, you know. In his right mind, what made him want to buy this car?
This just arrived 2 days ago.
Like a brand new car.
This just arrived 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. There's ball bearings here. Look at the dash. It looks like cracked earth.
Yeah.
I can understand why that these individuals know what it's supposed to look like now, because they have so many different versions of these
Exactly.
that they know how to put it back together now. They've taken it apart time and time
if you
again.
would say GTR JDM Focus, he would do it. I think he knows every bolt, every pattern by the amount of cars that you see. You never know. It might be for parts, might be for resto.
I don't even know where he would find these.
Japan.
But these are all recent arrivals.
Yeah, the ones outside.
They just stuff them into a container and drop them off. I've never seen anything like this before. Whoa! Completely destroyed race car. Just in the sand. Oh my god. Look at this. What's left? Poor Hakoska. Look at this thing. It's literally here just to put exhaust on it. It's exhausted.
It is. That could be a meme.
Yeah, I know. I'm so sad to see these cars in this condition, because I'm so used to seeing these in really excellent condition. Sitting in this, shifting through the gears and playing with the steering wheel, and just looking at this makes me really think at one point this was a brand new car, and after all these years it's sitting here. The Nissan engineers, all the owners that this car has been through, or even the first owner who drove it off of the Nissan lot in Japan way back when in the 70s, like somebody like that could not have even imagined that it would end up here in the Middle East and have someone like myself sit in it and row through the gears. What's interesting to me is these are built so well
That they're
they just look normal.
I would bet if we just put a battery in and try to start a car, it would start.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah,
Like
these are, come on.
bulletproof, right?
These are Land Cruisers. These were built for this. Like, yeah, it has a flat tire, but it still could cross the desert.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's funny because these don't need to be stored inside.
No, that's why they're outside.
They're so stout and they're so
That's why they're
well built. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Camel trophy. Look at that.
I think nice squash. I mean,
This is not far. This is not that
I
far.
think this was,
It's funny because I'll gloss over the all these Land Cruisers
yeah.
because of the fact that I know that they'll run just fine, and you know, in terms of them stuck in time, like this too. Look at this.
It's fine. Just a battery and it will start.
Yeah. Perfect. Daily driver.
Yeah.
No worries.
Alright, let's check out that's the original.
That one on the end.
Yeah, that's actually an original GTR.
It's a real GTR.
That's a real one.
Poor car. This was a brand new car at one
This was a
point.
brand new car back then. Us car guys, I think it's our job or our mission in life is to look after these. If someone else doesn't, then and if we ever get the opportunity to do it, why not? End of the day, money comes and goes. But these, you know, you look after them. They
But-
might mean nothing to someone, but it means the world to someone else.
Back in 1969 or 1970, when this was a brand new car,
Yeah.
some Japanese businessman drove this.
Just drove it, go to work.
Yeah, use this to go to work.
Probably complain about, you know, traffic or the clutch or.
Right.
Now it's here.
Now it's here. I've seen some serious miracles. If he can pull this off, then more power to him. Look at the hole. Oh my God. There's no floor left. That's literally, look,
Yeah.
that's my foot. That's literally my foot. I couldn't even sit in this if I wanted to. I would literally fall through the
Do
floor.
the Flintstones thing with it.
This is what I mean. This is the original fender flare from Nissan. Original fender flare from Nissan. Mr. Ebrahim
Yeah.
is a very well-traveled, wealthy man
Yeah.
who obviously likes what he likes.
Yep.
He's been to Nismo Ormari factory.
Yep.
He's been to Spoon. He's been to these surgical hospital looking places that build the most incredible cars in the world.
Absolutely.
In fact, he's in Japan right now.
He's probably getting another car.
Yeah, getting a lot more cars. But he chooses to restore these cars with these guys using hand tools,
Yeah.
hammers, on the ground, no
On the
lift.
ground, no lift. No surgical thing.
Not even a jack stand. I didn't even see a jack stand.
I
in
didn't
there.
see one either. I'd be surprised to see one. I think he enjoys it. The choice of cars, I'm sure there's one particular part in the car that makes him, hey, I want this car. Seeing this, yes, all original, you know, yes, it will take lots of effort and time to restore. But if he doesn't, then who will? Or, you know, so.
Yeah, and you know, one of the things that I was also saying is that it's not fair for somebody like myself or even Saeed to tell him how to restore his cars or how to enjoy his collection, because it's his collection, it's his money, and it's his way of doing things. And honestly, that's what makes it special. You know, if he did have like a surgical restoration place that builds 100-point cars here in the desert in the UAE, maybe it may not be as a compelling story, you know. It may not be as interesting, but he has a reason for doing what he does here because he enjoys it.
Yeah, very, very passionate. His love and dedication to these cars is something that I've never seen with anyone else, you know. And yeah, it's crazy to see. Now starting some cars.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go check out the cars. This is so good. I wanted to check out some of the cars that Ebrahim and his team have already restored firsthand. They pulled out a Hakoska GTR and a Ken Mary GTR, both extremely rare cars anywhere in the world, even more so in Dubai because there are so few right-hand drive cars in the United Arab Emirates. Unbelievable. Ebrahim is letting me drive a real Hako GTR. I've never driven anything with an S20 engine before.
Oh, thank you.
after all these years shooting GTRs and car culture and JDM cars and all of this, I finally get to drive a real original Hagerty GTR, and it happens to be in the Middle East, in the UAE. What a wonderful car. It has some quirks, it's all original, so a lot of it is falling apart, unfortunately. We just got passed by a bunch of camels. But man, is this car so cool. Just stopped for some gas. It's just so cool to see the Cammisa next to the Camaro. Incredible. Same generation, completely different cars. L31. This is not a S20. Habibi, let's go. Welcome to Dubai. While the Hagerty didn't have the original GTR S20 engine, it still had a really hot motor that made very decent power. It was a 3.1 liter L series inline 6 engine. In my eyes, this was more of an outlaw build. It's something that you could drive every day and not have to worry about too much, as it's far from perfect. But if you had a concourse level build, you probably wouldn't want to drive it a lot around in the desert. This you can push so hard and you can enjoy every moment of it because you don't have to worry about it getting dinged or damaged. The same went for the Cammisa. It was also powered by an L series motor, and as you saw in the last video and in this video, Ebrahim had a bunch of S20 engines laying around, one that was freshly rebuilt on an engine stand, as well as so many other ones caked in sand. He just chooses to use the L series engines to keep these on the road. We met up with one of Saeed's friends, Ahmad Al-Qasimi. He brought out his very clean roadster shop built first gen Camaro, and he took us to his family's beachside palace, which was right on the water, and that's exactly where we stopped for lunch. Oh wow. Oh my god. Look at this place. What the hell? Dude, this is insane. It's very, very steep, but that's the ocean. What the heck? What is this?
Thousands of tadpoles just at the base. You can see that.
Oh yeah, I see.
Where the frogs at? That's cool.
حتى استوى سمع من ورا شوف
700 all drive.
It's three. Hey, check it out. 3 JDM cars. It blends in.
One is just fake.
Yeah, yeah.
The Camaro has a 2J.
It's like it's been 2 weeks. They haven't noticed.
So now we're gonna go swimming with Larry.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Let's go. It's so beautiful here. Look at this. We're going into this. I don't even know what to call it. Island. This man-made island?
It's a casino.
Okay. It's not lost on us that Lewis and I being able to go to palaces and stuff. Like, I know this is special. Oh, wow. Whoa. This doesn't look like
what it is.
Dude. Saeed, when you said we're gonna eat lunch in a palace, I didn't believe you until now. What is this stuff? This is all the traditional?
So if you have any questions,
Okay.
ask away.
It looks so good. It smells incredible.
This is the end game.
This is
End game. So when you have this,
centerpiece.
You should take 2 hours of sleep.
Oh my. Where's everybody else? This is too much food. Dude, this is for a village.
It's gonna go.
What the hell? Are you kidding me?
Help yourself. Wow.
Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm ready.
You ready?
Are you ready for this?
This is gonna feed us for the next week.
Hey, if you like what you're watching, do me a favor. Go check out the Hagerty Drivers Club. 24/7 roadside assistance with flatbed towing, subscription to our award-winning magazine, and more. Sign up today, links in the description. Holy crap. Look at this place. We're at the end of this private pier. What a ride. After our quick photo shoot at the beachside palace, we headed to Ahmad's farm, where Saeed and Ebrahim's mechanics were so eager to show us what these vehicles were capable of. Basically, in so many words, shredding tires is a universal language. Oh my god, I freaking love the UAE. That was pretty cool.
That was so good. It's a perfect donut.
Fucking perfect. You made a perfect circle, dude. Look at this.